There is no better way to stay warm this winter than with a bowl of this creamy Muradabadi Dal Chaat. हाँ, दाल और चाट थोड़ा सा अलग combination है, but trust me, this is truly comfort in a bowl. We will start by transferring soaked moong dal to a pot. Pour in enough water to cover the dal and add your salt, haldi and hing. Remove any foam that forms on top and keep on adding the hot water as needed. Traditionally ये open gas पर ही बनता है, लेकिन you can even use a pressure cooker or instant pot. And now it's time for a special ingredient, Amul butter, which will do all the magic here. We want to continuously stir the dal really well at this stage until it becomes creamy and makmali and has this beautiful shine to it. Now let's top this off with all our garnishes for a chatpata crispy kick that really bring this to life. In a bowl, serve your velvety dal and top it off with some crunchy papdi or khakra, fresh veggies like tomatoes, onions, a dollop of butter, a squeeze of lemon, green chutney, chaat masala and homemade Muradabadi Dal Masala. ये सर्दियों के मौसम में this Muradabadi Dal Chaat is one dish you have to try. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.